In this video, you'll learn how to create a new email account in Protonmail step by step. We'll move through the whole process together from opening the website to signing in for the first time. So by the end, you'll have a fresh, secure email address ready to use. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or whatever you're most comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type in protonmail.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Protonmail website, which is the secure email service we'll be using in this tutorial. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a profile icon or an account icon there, usually represented by a small person-shaped symbol or your current account avatar if you're already signed in. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where Protonmail lets you manage your accounts and settings. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will open. In that menu, look for the option that says Add Account and click it. This is the starting point for setting up a new email identity under Proton's system. If you already use Proton services, this lets you keep multiple addresses organized under one place. Next, you'll see an option to Create Account. Click on Create Account to begin the actual sign-up process. This tells Protonmail that you're setting up a brand new email, not just logging into an existing one. Now, Proton will show you different plans. This is where you select the plan that works best for you. Typically, you'll see a free plan, which is great for basic personal use, and several paid plans that offer more storage, more email addresses, or extra features like custom domains. Take a moment to read the descriptions for each one so you understand what you're getting. If you just need a simple, secure email address, the free plan is usually enough to start with. Click on the plan you want to continue. On the plan page, you should see an option that says Create a New Account. Click Create a New Account to move forward. This will open the form where you choose your new Protonmail address and set your login details. You'll now be asked to enter a username and a password. The username is the first part of your new email address, the part that appears before the @ symbol. Try to pick something that's easy for you to remember but also looks professional or personal, depending on how you plan to use it. If the username you choose is already taken, Protonmail will let you know and you can adjust it slightly until you find one that's available. For the password, choose something strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoids obvious information like your name or birth date. Consider using a password manager to generate and store it safely so you don't have to memorize a long, complex password. Once your username and password are set, review everything to make sure it looks correct. When you're ready, find the button that says Start Using Protonmail Now and click it. Proton will finish creating your account and take you into your new inbox. That's it. You've just created a new Protonmail email account and you're ready to start sending and receiving secure messages right away.